Hey, I got sent over a wheel rotary edger. You know, it's that manual kind of edger. I don't have a whole lot to edge, so a big gasoline or electric edger is not really a requirement, and this is ideal for a small area like this. I'll show you in a minute when we get ready to use it. Let's get it opened up and see what we have in the box here. Now, it does have an expandable handle. It goes from 60 inches to 47.2 down to 31.5, so if you're tall, it's good, or if you're short, it's good. We're gonna see how good it really is. Looks like it comes with some bright orange gloves and little assembly instructions. It does have a wide, oh, it's kind of sharp. Might not pay attention to what I'm doing here before I cause some major damage to my hands. Anyway, there we go. Has the wide wheel on it right there. Pretty good edge, right, especially on that right there. Ooh, pretty heavy duty. And here is our handles. Now these handles will just screw together like so. Nothing to it. I say nothing to it. I'm gonna probably put it together backwards right here on video. See how easy that goes together. Like I said, you could take out, or you could actually take out these two center pieces here and just use this straight on that, or you can use one extension. It's whatever you need to do. You know, if you're like working like right here, you may not need this big old long pole, but if you're gonna be doing what we're fixing to be doing, probably needs a longer pole. We flip that camera around and let's try it out, see how well it works. And like I said, it does have the gloves. If you want to use those, don't really feel the need for them, but they do come with them if you need them. Now the main thing is to remember to keep your wheel right here on the concrete part. You don't want to do it like this and put the wheel over on the dirt and grass. You won't get a very good cut. You need it on the edge right there. We'll just start right here where I can see where we're at. Granted, this is taking me a little more because this is, as far as I know, it's never been edged. I mean, I'm sure it has at some point, but not since I've lived here. I'm going to get this finished up, and then we will get some final thoughts on it. All right, got that done. Let's get it cleaned up and see our final results. Okay, I got it washed off and cleaned out, and does a really good job. But like I said, it's good for short areas like this because it will give you a little bit of a workout, but it worked really well. Not a problem at all. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you would. I'd appreciate it. Well, there it is. Does a great job for small areas like this. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.